Welcome to Reno. Amber's back. She's in the back seat. It's windy today. We have to get the car fixed. Let's see. So I've got this O'Reilly Veriscan. The code is P2097. Let's see. Too much oxygen. Something with a catalytic converter. Let's see. Post-catalyst fuel trim system too rich. Okay. So the car needs some TLC. It's a step-by-step process what we have to do. Let's see. Since I disconnect the battery all the time, I need to put on around 60 miles on the car. I have the tire light that comes on and the engine light. Those need to be turned off, and the car needs to be working good on some level so that I can pass a smog check. Okay, there's that. Now once we get the smog check, then it's a matter of registering the car for another year. Overall, I would say the car is working really good. It doesn't have as much power as it used to, but it still has power when I need to go up a hill or something. Okay. See, things are blowing. It was a lot worse about an hour ago with the wind. I would describe it as unfun. Okay. Got my blueberry pie, bought some bread. Let's see. We went to Walmart and the dollar store today. Okay, let's go outside. Oh, see how windy it is? I don't want to do that. The camera battery is flashing, so I don't know how long this video will be. Okay. So there's that.